Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Anna. I am a portrait photographer in the Chicagoland area, and today I'm doing a studio light giveaway. I want to start off by saying I want to thank every single person that has subscribed to this channel. It has really helped a lot in regards to the stuff that I want to be posting. And since I have a lot of studio lights and a lot of photo equipment that I don't necessarily use that often, I wanted to go ahead and give it to someone who was actually going to put it to good use. For this giveaway, I am doing the PHOPIK Studio Light Kit. If you want a full in-depth review of these lights, I will list it up here as well as in the description box below. A studio light kit just like this is perfect for a beginner who just wants to learn studio and taking indoor shots. So if you're interested in this giveaway, the first thing that you're gonna have to do is be subscribed to this channel. Once you have subscribed to this channel, comment down below and let me know how many years you have been doing photography and the reasonings as to why you need this studio light kit. I do want to note that this giveaway is not only for photographers, this is also for other content creators. So if you are interested in entering this giveaway, please give the reasons as to why you need this kit. The winner of this giveaway will be announced in my next YouTube video, and I normally post every 2 weeks. So make sure once you watch this video to comment down below and make sure you get your entries in. I don't know if I'm going to be doing giveaways in the future, but I do want to let you guys know that even if you don't win this round, there's a possibility that you might win the next one, because I want to make sure that every giveaway that I do is fair and everyone can enter. But that is all that I have for you guys today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. If you're interested in more photography related videos, I have a playlist created where I go behind the scenes and talk over my Lightroom edits, so that will be listed up here as well as in the description box below. If you're interested in traveling the world with me and seeing what I do in my free time, I also have a playlist created which will be listed down below. But that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.